Bajaj Auto came to our campus for their profile in R&D department. Only mechanical engineering students were allowed to sit in there. The eligibility criteria was CGPA 6 with no running backs. The process was consisted of 2 rounds. First one was written round and other one was the interview. In written round, there were 50 questions with 2 sets. Set A for technical and set B was with aptitude. We were given 40 minutes for total examination. In first one, in aptitude, they asked a question from basics like time, speed, family relation, data interpretation, and the level of aptitude was average, on an average. And then in technical set of question paper, there were 25 questions from covering all the courses of engineering. The questions were having basic questions from design of machine elements, IC engine, and automobile engineering, fluid mechanics, heat transfer. So simple and basic questions were taken from all the subjects. And in automobile engineering, there was a question from tires nomenclature. They given us the whole nomenclature of tire, and we have to calculate the height of the tire. From fluid mechanics, there were questions from Newtonian fluids basics, what are Newtonian fluids and how they depend on the stress and shear stress, etc. And how Weber limit depends on the various parameters of fluid, and basics of Bernoulli's theorem. And there was a question from IC engine, dependency of fuel supply on in the starting, idling, and acceleration conditions. And in machine designing, there was a question based on design of nut and bolt, how the shear stress and load acts on a bolt. From refrigeration, they asked question about WBT and GBT and how they depend on each other according to the environment condition. And from vibration, they asked question related to spring mass, simple spring mass system. We have to calculate the frequency of spring. And there was a question from design of machine design. They have given us 4 different pairs, and we have to find out which one is the open pair. From heat transfer, they given us the NTU value, and we have to find out the effectiveness of heat transfer of heat exchanger. And from fluid mechanics, there are simple questions based on Reynolds number, like if various parameters are changing, velocity is changing and diameter is changing, then how Reynolds number will change.